If you're seeing a Slack error when creating a workspace, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest fixes step by step so you can get your workspace set up without the frustration. This is a common issue, and in many cases it's caused by something simple like a slow connection, a temporary page glitch, an email conflict, or a workspace name that's already taken. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can cause Slack to fail when it's trying to create a new workspace. Open your browser and search for speed test, then run a quick internet speed test to make sure your connection is stable. If the results look slow or inconsistent, try switching networks, restarting your router, or moving to a stronger connection before trying again. Once you've confirmed your internet is working properly, go back to Slack and refresh the page. Sometimes the error is just a temporary loading problem, and a simple refresh is enough to clear it. After refreshing, try creating the workspace again and see if the issue is resolved. If Slack still won't let you continue, the next thing to check is your email address. Make sure you're using a different email if the one you entered has already been used for another workspace or account. Slack can sometimes block workspace creation if the email is tied to an existing setup, so using a fresh email address can solve the problem quickly. Also, make sure you're signed in with the correct account before you try again. Finally, check the workspace name and URL you're trying to use. Slack requires each workspace name and URL to be unique, so if someone else already claimed that name, the creation process may fail. Try entering a slightly different workspace name or a different URL variation and then submit it again. In many cases, one of these simple fixes will get you through the setup process right away. So to recap, check your internet speed, refresh the page, try a different email address, and make sure your workspace name and URL are unique. If you went through all of those steps, you should now be able to create your Slack workspace successfully. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more tech fixes, and I'll see you in the next one.